We have Dune Dog. Someone told me there might be a typo on the back of this card. I'm going to have to look real quick. And on the bottom, Snow Ripper. Someone said on the back, oh, it's not on this car. On one of the cars, they said that Dune was misspelled. And instead of it having an E on the end, it had a G. I'm gonna have to see. But I think it was with the some red car that's coming up in the assortment. Thanks for tuning in to another Race Grooves unboxing video. We have the C-Case assortment, 2015 C-Case assortment of Matchbox cars. This is around a March release, but I did not get it until May. So let's crack it open. And this one's got a story. We're going to take a look at that in a second. Alfa Romeo 4C. Yes, this is the kind of stuff that's a throwback to the classic Matchbox. Glad to see a real car, a licensed model in the assortment. Got tampoed headlights. Got tampo in between the grill there. Even has a black tampoed grill right here. You can see black tampo right there for the grill. But this model here, apparently there's a story on the back. Sure enough, there it is. There's your list of models. And if you look at number 62, yep, number 62. I don't remember that being the name of a Matchbox model. We have a little typo. I'm going to set this here, and then let's see if that model is actually... Oh, there he is right there. So there you have Dune Dog. D-U-N-E-D-O-G. But on the back, D-U-N-G-D-O-G. Yeah, a little typo. Well, not so little typo if you know what the word dung means. Yeah, dung, that's like cattle. Dung is more of a word that I know of is used over in the other continent, where dung is actually animal droppings. And then when it gets hard, they use it for fuel and other things. There's even a dung beetle. He sits there and he rolls it up, takes it home, and that's what they survive on. So that's kind of funny. Dune Dog getting a typo called Dune Dog on the back of the Alfa Romeo, tainting an otherwise awesome release, but that's okay. I hardly ever look at the back anyways. I wouldn't have known unless collectors pointed it out to me. Thanks a lot. International Workstar brush firefighter truck. It's got that long name I talked about in the last case. Nice release. And another Alfa Romeo. I wonder if that one has a typo on the back. I heard that it's the typo continues into the D-Case assortment. That's what I heard. And I'll do the D-Case in a week if you're watching this now. Hey, nice tampos on Blockade Buster. Give it a little bit of a military look there. Breaking up the plainness of the model. And let's see, Alfa Romeo 4C. Let's see, there it is. Still a mistake. That's funny stuff. Another Snow Ripper, carry over from the last assortment. Oh yeah, someone told me that I didn't even notice Dune Dog in the last assortment had two different colors, an orange and a red. I didn't even notice. As a matter of fact, I got the orange one right there. I'll pull it out. Chevy K1500 with that double roll bar. And let's see, here's the last assortment. Dune Dog, there was an orange Dune Dog in the last case, and it also had a red one. Let's see, let me pull over here. There's a few from the last case. And there's Dune Dog. Same case, two different colors. Here we have the D-Case assortment for Matchbox. There was a delay with the other cases. Excuse me, sewing machine. You have to wait your turn. Yes, two more Alfa Romeo 4C. So if you do not get this, if you get the mix C in your area, and then you get a chance to get this car in mix D too. Hopefully it continues into mix E, so you have your chance. BMW M1, I think this one towards the end of 2014 was blue, right? This is the one that was blue. Really, really nice model. Check out the tampos on the front grille. That's what people like. They like realistic models with tampoed headlights, tampoed tail lights. There you go. Love it, love it, love it. I wonder if that I don't see Alfa Romeo. Oh, was it already? Did I pass it? Yeah, Alfa Romeo. We got to check the back of that card. See if it still had the Dune Dog. Hey, dude, stop hitting the camera, would you? Jeep Wrangler Superlift. That was in the last mix as well. Very nice color presentation. And the Alfa Romeo. had the error on the back. Instead of it saying Dune Dog, look, number 62. They misspelled Dune Dog. So far, it's C-case, D-case. Mattel has not caught on to it. But you see, we're already in May. If nobody noticed this during production, it's already 7 weeks later before someone notices. So all of these have already been produced. And so more than likely, all the cards are like that. So it doesn't make it special. It's not a special error because they're all like that. Food truck. I think it's the third mix for him too. Oh my. This is one of my favorite cars to collect. Ford GT40. Glad to see you back. Check out those headlight tampos. Paintwork's a little gloppy, but otherwise, I'm just glad to get real car in the mix. Now let's go ahead and get the Alfa Romeo 4C. Got a license plate. Headlight tampos. Really, really nice model. Left-hand drive. And in the front, like I already showed you the tampos that are in the front of the model. This is probably going to be a hard one to find, as I'm sure collectors are going to want to pick one up, and an extra, and an extra. Hey, you can, whatever you find, you found it, you can buy it. If you want two, you want three, it's up to you. You can buy it if you like. You want to keep one in the package, have one loose? It's up to you. You collect what you want to collect. Alfa Romeo, does it have brake lights? Yeah, it does have brake lights. It's just that it is so close to the red of the vehicle that's a little hard to see. Ford GT, one of my favorite models to collect. I'll get every color. I'll get every color of this model right here. Now, some models, you know, like these right here, I just like to have a couple colors. I might get more of this one here because it's a new one. But otherwise, these here, for myself, I only like to have a few colors for the collection. Hey, taillight tampos. As far as the Ford GT40, I'll be getting every color, and I'll be getting multiples too. You buy what you like, buy what you can afford, enjoy the hobby. Now the Ford GT came from another case, but I want somebody to race against the 93 Ford Mustang police car. Ford GT it is. Thanks a bunch for watching, and happy collecting. Bye-bye.